Here's Mr. Fridge. Mr. Fridge has lots of nice food. Today, there's milk, cake, meat, and cheese in Mr. Fridge. Here's Jane. She wants some cake. She looks in the fridge.
Oh, Fridge, you smell bad today.
Mr. Fridge is sad. He likes to smell good. Jane smells the milk, cake, and meat.
They smell okay.
She says. Then she smells the cheese.
Yuck! This smells bad.
Here's Jane's dad.
Ah, that's my cheese.
He says, takes it, and eats it. He loves the smelly cheese. Mr. Fridge is happy. Now he smells good again.